All right, so this video addresses a comment I received recently from a viewer who is a non-believer. So at the 5:55 mark, make sure you pay attention to this video. Bert Reed leaves a comment. So you make all these videos on how successful Uber can be, but you never once address Uber no longer doing bonuses for having others sign up. Bert, this video is for you. Pay attention. All right, welcome back to the Simple Driver channel. Let's go ahead and talk about the 6 reasons why you should flat out start an Uber website today. Now, of course, I'm going to put a link in the description up here, the reasons that you should ditch, a Uber business card, which is, and for a digital one and a website. But this video is different. I'm literally going to give you the 6 reasons why you should have a website, period. Like today, you need to start it right now. If you don't know how to do it, there's a link in the description. I'll show you how to do it step by step. Number 1, it is virtual real estate. If you don't own a house, a piece of land, if you never built a house, or you don't have anything regarding physical real estate, brick and mortar, you need to have a website because it is virtual real estate. Let me tell you what I mean by that. TheSimpleDriver.com gets, I can't remember, but it gets thousands of visitors a month, 8,000 or 9,000 visitors a month, or whatever, which is smaller than, some other sites out there. But my visitors are very, very tight niched for the information that they're coming to get. And so I have been offered $150,000 just for my website. Now, remember, I also have a YouTube channel with over 80,000 subscribers, but I've been offered $150,000 for the Simple Driver. And obviously I've declined that because if you don't know, I did a video telling you how I'm going to take this business and this website and company and brand from doing $100,000+ a year to over $250,000. If you don't know, if you didn't see that video, I'll leave a link in the description for you to go watch that video as well. The next thing I want to talk to you about when it comes to reason you should have one is I named my brand, okay, and my website TheSimpleDriver.com. I didn't name it Uberman or the RideShareGuy.com. And I respect those guys. I'm in Harry's book. I respect what he's doing. But let me tell you why I didn't do that. Because if I would have named my brand Uberman, it would have boxed me into only creating Uber content. If I would have called myself the Rideshare Guy, then it would have boxed me in for only creating content about the rideshare industry. The Simple Driver is in the automotive niche and industry. I can create content about anything regarding the automotive industry. And so that's why I did that. So that is a bonus tip for you guys. Remember that. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about, and number 2 here, is building your business using Uber's momentum, but having the option to do something else. So I kind of hinted to it in that first tip there, but here's what I'm talking about here. Again, I don't have to just be locked into doing Uber content. And again, I am actually going to be introducing more content to this channel. What kind of content? Literally car reviews, autonomous driving, cars, because they're coming. That's the future. I can't wait to get to that content. But, racing information, maintenance information, new cars, talking about the horsepower and the trinkets and stuff like that. I'm actually in talks right now with local dealerships right here in Atlanta who want to actually be on my channel for new vehicles that are coming to their lots. They want to be on my channel, and I'm going to do sponsorship deals with them because that's what this is about. It's about building a brand and making money. I told you guys how to run a successful business, right? There's more ways to get paid than just driving. Number 3 is affiliate money. You probably seen my video where I break my income down, me talking about how I earn over $10,000 a month and how I have it broke down. But affiliate money is one of the big ones. When you have a site, you can actually earn a ton of money selling other people's products and services. You don't have to create your own because it takes time. And when you're selling your own products and services, you have to deal with customer services, chargebacks, returns, merchant accounts and fees and stuff like that. But when you sell someone else's product or service, they deal with all that. You just get a commission. And so the biggest example that I can give you for that is I have a video on my YouTube channel It's the 20 items every Uber driver should have. That video has almost 1 million views, and I have made tens of thousands of dollars selling products that people buy on Amazon that I don't have anywhere in my closet stacked away or anything like that. I don't deal with shipping and all. Amazon handles all of that. I made one video. People go, they click the link and say, yes, I need that. I need vomit bags in my car and stuff like that. And I make a commission. That is, it doesn't get any simpler than that, okay? And you can't not do that if you don't have a website or at least a social media channel like, you know, a YouTube channel. Number 4, when you have a website, it allows you to earn, you know, or have, I should say, multiple streams of income. All right, so I want to talk to you. What are those multiple streams? Passive income, referrals, affiliate money, and selling products or service of your own or someone else's. I still make $500 to $1,500 a week, and some you know, naysayers out there, there shouldn't be any because I've already did a video showing you the breakdown. But let me just tell you that this is watch this. Let me just open this up and let me just watch. Let me just go here. Hey Siri. What's today's date? Watch this.
It's Thursday, November 14th, 2019.
Okay, November 14th, 2019. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to open my Uber app to show you that, you know, people are saying there's not money in the referrals are drying up. I keep telling you it's not. Let me come up behind the camera and show you something here. Let me show you. All right, so let me kind of get this focused. I'm actually going to turn my thing down so you can see it. Okay. If you go here, and if I go and look up weekly, I'm pulling this up, look. All right, so this, you can see that, oh, I gotta make sure this is in focus. There we go. That is November 11th through November the 18th. So this week, I've already earned $700. Now, if I go here and I click on that, you will see the week before that was $1,500. Okay, November 4th through the 11th. Okay, and I could go back with, you know, the week before that was $300. You know, let me just come back behind this camera and show you and tell you that. Let me make sure that I'm in focus. Sorry about that. All right, you know, again, I don't show you this income here to brag because, to be honest with you, the referral money now for me is just, it's just child's play. It amounts to this amount of money from the income that I earned from a total. I make way too much money on sponsorship deals, which is the next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about. The reason that you want to have a website is sponsorship. This is number 5, sponsorship deals and brand deals. Understand, getting $500, $700, or $1,400 or $1,500 in a week it's cool, but or you know, if you're driving and you're getting $6 or $7 a trip, or you make $100 or $200 a week or something like that, that's okay. But when you're talking about brand and sponsorship deals, these deals are $10,000, $15,000, and $20,000 deals, okay? And you can't really present yourself the way you need to if you don't have a website. I can't tell you how important it is, that how professional it makes you look when a brand or wants to do a sponsorship deal with you. They want to know who you are. They want to know you're handling your business, and they want to know what they're getting into. They want to know who's representing their brand and who they're going to cut a check to. So that's number 5. The last one is number 6. Having a website allows you to have, it's a big tax shelter. It allows you to write off major things on your taxes, okay? One of them, home office tax deduction. Now, let me just say to you, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an accountant, so this is for informational purposes only, okay? But understand this. If you have an office space that takes up 20% of your house, okay, you can deduct 20% of your bills for utilities, homeowners insurance, HOA fees, security and general repairs, maintenance, light bill, internet, phone, cell phone bills. Again, check with your CPA or your accountant to understand what I'm talking about. But get this, if you have a website and you're doing business the way I'm telling you, you like right now, what I'm doing in my office right now, making this video using my internet, using my computer, I'm gonna be able to write off a lot of stuff on taxes because this is business. I'm operating my business. I'm not in a car driving around. You understand what I'm saying? You need to do this. If you don't do it for anything else, build yourself a website for a tax shelter. Okay. So those are my 6 reasons. Again, if you don't know how to build yourself a site. There's a link in the description. It shows you step by step how to do that. My name is Calvin. I'm the Simple Driver. Peace.